Right, hello and welcome to Team Scoot on the Volcano with James Cross, John Eslop, Kacper and Oli Kacper. Yeah. We are Team Pikey and these are Team Mixed Race because Kacper's Polish. That was my name. Thank you. Yeah. Great Britain, Poland. Right. Rock, let's do rock, paper, scissors. Oli and John can do it after. Oh, we won. We won, huh?
We won that.
What's that you doing? I'm going to start off with a cheeky kickless over the volcano. Will you?
Yes.
I'm going to bar the gap from the volcano to the hip.
Are you stupid?
I'll blow up the volcano.
That's it.
Front boards, okay. I just call it salad, whatever one I want to call it. I would not stand there, mate.
One. Oh my god.
One bang up.
The team moving on the first set.
Kacper, what does yours say? Finger with it.
Lemon scented vagina.
What's he set?
Riding it like a hip, riding it like a box.
Is that a boxer? Is that a boxer? Is that a boxer? Oli.
Exactly.
Is it a boxer? Maybe. Like, it's a volcano-y, boxy, hippie thingy. It's everything. What's he set? I'm gonna flare/flip on some variation on this. Okay. I'll do a whip front scooter flip.
Oh yeah, just so you can feel it. What did I say?
His own teammate and immigrant. Right, I'll whip one, that's it.
I'll 3-bar from the top to like...
Yeah.
What are you doing, Potty?
I'm gonna do another flip variation of some sort over the hip, on the hip, somewhere.
Split.
Doing it with. Sliding at the DMs. Guys, look, what's the situation?
Nope.
Did you just blunt it?
Right, a feeble on that Potty.
That's better.
Potty.
I'll quad whip.
Stack on twang. Pardon? What did you say?
I'll do double down.
He's not like.
Can you remember on that video? It's like,
What are you doing?
you're great, you.
3 ball.
3-bar. Feels wet down.
That's S to S.
Welcome.
Nice set.
Wow.
Another big plus.
Nope, not close enough.
Double whip bar.
Kacper, I thought double whip bar was easier than whip bar.
Erections!
I'm gonna bright whip it.
He's good, him. Hashtag override team rider for life. You're good, you. But not good enough to be on team override.
Something, John.
Me? You said that, man.
I know it's you. Oh, it's Oli. I'll do a buttercup. Okay. Good teammate you got, Casper.
But you're not going to lie to it. I put that in their first letter.
Okay. I want to say whip and kickless.
Whip to salad.
Yes, you got to. Yeah. Oh. Blue battery. Yep. Got some arcade.
Double finger whip.
Hey, what are we change this to pig? Because it's taking forever.
Yeah, pig.
Pig,
I'm doing an upper bar spin from this side of the volcano in the up there.
Okay.
Right, I'm gonna hop onto the top to whip the umbrella in.
Hop on in with him.
Maybe.
I'll through it.
What's happening?
Oh.
Flare. Flare.
Hello. No, his whips on that is disgusting. Hello.
It's not, I just did a quad.
Look at the nose.
I'll bar it. Couldn't stand in a more like awkward place. You're practicing?
In with it again.
So that's PI for them?
I'll do double down with rewind.
Alright.
Fully.
Funny.
Fully. Fully.
Yeah, a lot like that.
It's good that.
I'll go kickless it. What are you doing? Finish him. Them.
I'll just do all these previous tricks, but I'll just do it in.
Another attempt. Oli, do it. Oli, mate, do you want to know something? You know, if you went the other way, you wouldn't have the front of the wall.
Explain why you choose to do downside up and kick the thing and not give a direction and catch fun.
I just told him.
That was good. Shout out to really bad shorts.
Casper's annoyed.
Casper's not happy.
Casper is done.
So, championing.
Team Pikey.
Feel right, just for this.
Right.
Instagram's in the description, not
Yes.
less.
Make sure you put in the comments now what you want Team Pikey to take on Team Immigrant to in next. Well, they've got Team Mixed Race, aren't they?
Mixed race.
Yeah.
Okay,
so,
we'll change it to immigrant now.
No, they've got Team Mixed Race. So basically put in the comments what you want us to play on next. These are team forever now.
Yes.
Team 50-50 is going to land. As in I'm going to, and then he's not.
Casper is slating Oli. Who wants to say give a scoop for Casper and Oli? Just to sort this out.
Right.
Team Pikey for the win.
Right, in a bit.